graduated during the period of May 3 to May 31. Congrats. Annalyn Trias. Graduated during the period of May 33 to 31. Donnie Villaflor. Mercy Gloria Ventura. Congrats. Jesse Ventura. Congrats. RV De Dijos. Senior Chris Fernandez.
Cum laude. Wala.
Yan po, galing pa po siya sa Napa. Hintayin natin. Okay. Congratulations, our graduate. Actually, nag-register ay 10. Ang nag-graduate po ay 2, 4, 6, 7. Ayan po, Pastor. Dito po yung ating mga graduates. Picture?
Ulo ng mga... Picture, picture. Picture lang namin.
Thank you very much, graduates.
Video.
Okay, sige.